On a monthly basis, we're diverting about a tonne of food from landfill. Clough-Mills is a village of about 2,500 people, 600 households. We get food from a variety of sources. There's food from supermarkets and shops. There's also food that people are starting to donate. So people are going through cupboards, they maybe have a surplus or they've bought something they don't need. That's made up of bunches of bananas and punnets of grapes and carrots. This is all food that's still good to eat, and if there is anything that might be slightly going off, the group here in Clough-Mills are able to compost it, so we complete that circle. Nothing actually goes to waste. With community fridges, there's no referral needed. It's not means tested or income tested. The sole concern is how can we reduce food waste. So you can have a whole range of people there. There are people who are maybe struggling through loss of income. They maybe need some food. But there's also people who are very motivated about food waste. There's no single customer for the community fridge.
Been living in Clough-Mills now about 32 years, done a bit of tiling, and then I had to retire through ill health. And then the next thing, the fridge started up. It's great. You walk out of the gates there with a full bag of fruit and veg, free. If you take that bag of fruit and veg you get out of here, if you went into some of the supermarkets to buy that, you would know all about it. It's a fair price. And you think the wee bit you're doing for the environment as well.
I hate the idea of things going to waste. From my nan, you know, waste not, want not. Potatoes, bananas, oranges. It's amazing what you can use and get. I can make a good baba ganoush now. Experimental cooking is really, it's really good.
By visiting a community fridge and taking some food and diverting it from landfill, you are actually making a difference. You're having a positive climate impact.